Question 5 of my media evaluation. So I use softwares such as Photoshop to help make my front cover. I use tools in Photoshop such as airbrush tools. This is to make the model look more crisp. I use text tools to create my title. I used boxes, drop shadows, glows to enhance writing on the page. I used Adobe InDesign to make the other 3 pages. I used layout. This is to give the magazine a more professional look. Adobe InDesign is a really useful software for creating double page spreads, as it helps you create a layout. I used Cam Studio to capture the things that I had been doing throughout the making processes of the magazine. I used Prezi to help make my media pitch for the magazine. This is a really fun and useful presentation site, as you can use effects and different transitions. I used WordPress to upload pieces of work to a blog that will be assessed at the end. I used DSLR cameras to take the photos. These cameras were really good, as the quality was brilliant. I used rules such as the rule of thirds to give the photos a more professional look. I gave some photos a shallow depth of field to help create an atmosphere. I used Windows Movie Maker to help put these evaluation videos together. My idea has developed greatly from just a sketch to a professional looking magazine. If I had to change it, I would change the title and some of the photos on the contents page. I would make my title a lot brighter and more stood out. My knowledge of conventions and stereotypes has grown so much since I first started the course, with help from my lecturers. My Photoshop skills have grown greatly. I had a basic understanding of the software, but it has grown so much. I now know how to airbrush, use drop shadows, outer glows, text tools, boxes, things like this. I think from my prelim task to my main page, my skills have got better, and that is visible. I have learnt so many new techniques to help create a magazine and make it look a lot more professional.